and the legislation of the office of the CASs. So is there a national legislation constitutionally?
The Constitution is very clear. It gives the president, under the functions of the president in Article 132, what the functions of the president are supposed to be.
Right.
Among them is the appointment of the cabinet secretaries, which is covered under Article 156, and then there is Article 154, which covers the principal secretaries under those cabinet secretaries. The issue of the CASs was brought out in 2018 when the previous president Uhuru Kenyatta had the office, and through a case filed by Okia Mtata and a process of public participation, an amendment was brought about to allow for 23 CASs to be a minimum of 14 and a maximum of 23 CASs to be appointed to assist the cabinet secretaries in their mandate. However, you find that in this administration, whether it is through laxity or through lack of proper advice being given to the president, which I'll get into later, 50 were appointed, which is not as per any constitutional mandate, not under any amendment to the constitution, and against the judgments given in the Kia Mtata case and any other case brought before the court about CASs. There is no law in this country that permits 50 ladies and gentlemen being appointed by the president, because as it seems, it is more we are being led by executive fiat rather than by the rule of law.
Right.
The constitution has not been followed in this issue, and if the president wanted 50, he should have come to the Mwananchi, asked if 50 is a sufficient number. We give him our points of view about it, and after he collects enough signatures, goes to Parliament and seeks an amendment to the constitution. That should have been the process.
Right. So the president just can't come up with a number. So
indeed,
what's the due process is to come back to the people